Hello and welcome. Thanks for choosing SteelCryptoWallet. This tutorial demonstrates how to use this high-security seed storage. Made of 1.5mm stainless steel, your seed phrase is able to withstand extreme conditions. It's resistant against seawater and survives temperatures above 1300 degrees centigrade. Special locking screws protect your seed words from prying eyes. Unscrew the two steel plates with the assembly tool to open the seed storage. Inside you'll find two seed tables to protect two different crypto wallets. The standard set includes a scriber pen to engrave your seed words manually. Learn more about different engraving options in our other tutorial videos. Assemble the seed storage to protect the secret information inside the two steel plates. Tighten the two locking screws with the assembly tool. Besides the robust mechanical properties, SteelCryptoWallet supports additional layers of security. Special tamper-proof labels will indicate intruders. Attach the two tamper-evident labels on opposite sides to seal the storage. The labels ensure that you see unauthorized access to the storage. Congratulations, your seed phrase is protected. Store it in a safe place. To open the storage, you must break the tamper-proof security labels. The labels are single-use and can't be attached again. Protect your crypto seed phrase forever. Thanks for watching. Visit us at SteelCryptoWallet.com.